This is an equipmentless routine. It's a cha-cha-cha type movement. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. 1, 2. Just lifting the heels, sitting forward on your chair. Just get that movement first. Add the arms in the same time. 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Taking one foot forward, forward, back, forward. Add the opposite arm if you can, whichever arm feels good though. And again, opposite arm. Get those heels going in that 3, 2, 1 movement. Getting a little bit of work in the thighs. Take the leg out to the side, out, in, the heels. Lift the leg this time. So almost a little kick in front or a knee lift. If that's too much for you, just slide the foot forward again like we did before. And turn so you can see. Out to the side. And a roll. Make sure you're taking that knee out, not just the foot. Try and keep the feet and arms going in time. 1, 2, 3. Other way again. And back. And in front. So you can kick or just slide the foot forward. Well done.